Well, a very good morning, cruise nerds. Can't believe we're going on our last cruise on the Disney Wish today. Is it already Christmas? Is it already December 2022? Is this year almost over so we can put it behind us? I think so. But we are not going to think of New Year's until we go over to Fort Wilderness after this cruise, because next weekend we are actually going to be checking in over at Fort Wilderness for about a week. I can't wait. And Anna's going to be there. Mom and Dad are going to be there. We're going to have some fun. But anyways, cruise nerds, it's almost Christmas. We got about a week left. Anyways, cruise nerds, enough with the chit chatting. We're heading over to port for one last 3-night very merry cruise on the Disney Wish before the season is over. It's the 4 of us, so we're headed over. Enough, cruise nerds. I'm so excited about this cruise, but then again, I'm not excited because this is our last cruise for the season. But anyways, cruise nerds, I am going to stop my chit-chatting right now, and we're going to go to the car, and we are going to head over to Port Canaveral. See you there. Alright, cruise nerds, we made it! Woohoo! We have made it, cruise nerds. And we went ahead and parked. We paid for parking. We dropped off our luggage, the whole 9 yards. We're good to go. Now we just gotta go through security and get on board the ship. And wait for our boarding group number, of course. But anyways, cruise nerds, let's go ahead and start going over. Oh, there's the bus! There's the bus! There's the bus! There's the cruise line bus! Can't you tell I'm excited? Alright, cruise nerds, so we finally made it. So it looks like they're just boarding groups 1 and 2 right now, cruise nerds. Woohoo! Alright, let's go park and get set up.
Boarding pass 1 through 9. Your boarding pass is out.
May you have your attention, please. Disney Cruise Line would like to invite all guests in boarding groups 1 through 9 to please proceed to the boarding area. Please be prepared to present a boarding pass for each member of your party.
Oh, looks like you're ready to go.
Yes.
Here. Now may we have our family name?
Berry.
The Berry family. Wonderful. Disney Wish, please welcome aboard the Berry family.
Thank you.
All right.
Yes, please.
Hi. Hello. How are you? Making magic. Making them come true.
Well, ahoy, cruise nerds! As y'all can tell, we have made it back to Marceline Market. Annie's here, and they're going ahead and go and get some food. I just went ahead and got set up, and then Dad's got his food but I will explain all the food when I get back with mine. So, Cruise Nerds, see you in a few minutes with lunch. Alright, Cruise Nerds, so welcome back. So, like I said, Dad went ahead and we let him go get his lunch before we did, because we take our time and actually enjoy looking at all the menu options. So Dad got his gumbo. Thank you, Anna. His gumbo, cornbread, sweet potato fries, and some of the steak. And then, of course, I got my chicken tenders. I'm getting more back into my chicken tenders, my fries, and my mac and cheese. And, of course, I'm going to butcher the name, but Anna and Mama both got their charcuterie board. Yes, I know that's probably incorrect, but, and then Mom and Anna both got pot stickers, sweet potato fries, shrimp. They even got some soy sauce for their pot stickers, or at least Mom did. And what's that, cod?
It's called tonkatsu.
Tonkatsu? Tonkatsu.
It's Japanese pork.
It's basically pork, just Japanese style. But anyways, Cruise Nerds, I will see y'all in a few minutes. We're going to go enjoy our lunch, and I will see y'all real soon. Cruise Nerds is open. Let's see if Sanjaya is here. That would be great if he was. Alright. Here we go, Cruise Nerds.
Please, this is the officer of the watch speaking from the bridge. Refueling operations are complete, and you are now allowed to smoke only in designated areas on open decks. Guests may also use their stateroom verandas at this time. Thank you for your attention.
Oh, perfect. I was just finishing up the stateroom tour, guys, and the announcement came on, so let me go finish that real quick. But also, yeah, loving the stateroom, guys. And I hope these vlogs are fun. But anyways, also Cruise Nerds, I know y'all seen them in the stateroom tours that I'm doing on for the Disney Wish, but each room has a different one. For the background here, we have Cinderella. I'm pretty sure it's the same Cinderella like background. I don't know if it's different or not. But, and then we also have the picture right there, which you sometimes see in my cruise couch corner with the picture in the background. It's Fairy Godmother making the coach out of a pumpkin. Saddle on noodles, ketchup on poodles, bippity boppity boo. If you know that reference, congratulations. But anyways, Cruise Nerds, I will be back shortly. I'm also going to finish up here with the vlog for the stateroom tour, and then also go grab Mom and them from
Assistant Cruise Director, and on behalf of Captain Marco and the entire crew of the Disney Wish, we would like to warmly welcome you aboard. Just a friendly reminder that our mandatory emergency safety drill will take place at 3:50 p.m. today. Your assembly station can be found on your Key to the World card and within the Disney Cruise Line Navigator app. I do suggest taking a look now to find the location of your assembly station. Directions to your assembly station, which include...
So, you probably just heard the announcement from Anne, the Assistant Cruise Director, just reminding everybody about when the muster drill is. Alright, Cruise Nerds, so I grabbed an elevator to go up, to go down. That's a great trick. Let's see if I get an express elevator. I might, no, never mind. See y'all in a minute, Cruise Nerds. Okay, Cruise Nerds, found the family. Found them. I air tagged them. No, I didn't. I knew where they were going to be. But anyways, Cruise Nerds, we're going to go back to the stateroom so they can drop off their stuff. Okay, Cruise Nerds. So, I got my big camera lens on right now. Because if you can see all the way over there, that's NASA, of course. And then, right over here, looks like they're gonna probably have a launch today, I think, maybe. Alright, Cruise Nerds, so there's a process, because I know a lot of y'all have asked about this. Coming out, guys, there is a process to our madness. Because I know y'all have asked, how do y'all put all the pictures on? First off, they're magnets on the back. and we place them. So let me turn y'all around. See, Mom's showing right now. A magnet.
Got them on Amazon. Sheets of them. It's really good price.
Yeah, there's sheets of them, like $12.99, I think it was, right, Mom?
Something like that.
Roughly, for the like letter size magnets, and we just cut them down to size, and then we start placing them, kind of like go around on the wall and whatnot. And of course, we follow the rules of what the crew has told us, like make sure that we're not covering any drill safety, the drill exit signs, everything like that. And we try to make sure that
lifeboat directions.
Yeah, lifeboat directions, things like that. So we try to make sure that we don't cover those. But anyways, cruise nerds, I'll show you in a second how we do it. See you soon. Alright, cruise nerds. I'm somewhat helping, but not really. I'm improvising, telling them who's on board and who's not. But anyways, cruise nerds, yeah, so we place them. Because some are, yeah, you can see how the photos are.
I have to stop there.
Where's our first cruise? I don't see, because we normally have first cruise right here. But we gotta find the photo. We got a lot of photos to go through, cruise nerds. See y'all in a minute. Alright, cruise nerds. So we are, oh, let me do the lighting real quick. Okay, there we go. We are headed to our assembly station J. Mom and Dad went ahead. I had to get one or two things, and we'll meet them there. So see you in a minute. Cruise Nerds gonna catch up. Well, Cruise Nerds, we made it to Luna. Yeah, we're assembly station J again, or again for 3 of us. First time for Annie. Well, second time for Annie.
No, I was here last time.
Yeah. So can't keep up, Cruise Nerds.
Getting ready for the emergency drill.
Yes. At 3:50, 10 till 4. But we try to get here early just so we can get a seat for Mom and Dad.
Yeah, get a nice place to sit. Last time we came, we got here a little late and we had to stand up outside.
Which was right out there. We had to stand. Sit and go ahead and get checked in, and it's 1 key card per stateroom. Yeah, I did notice on the last cruise, and Anna wasn't here, but I was observing a family. 3 of them were here, and 1 came a little later, and he just tapped his key. So if you come separate, make sure everyone has their key to the world card, just in case y'all get separated in case of an emergency, so y'all are prepared to have your key swiped. But normally, if you do come together as a whole, it's 1 key card.
It's a lot better. It's a lot faster. It's a lot easier for the crew if you all come together.
Exactly. And you've heard me say this before, probably, regardless, and also cruise director or assistant cruise director, depending on who you listen to. Regardless of age and regardless of how many times you've cruised, 1 cruise or 10 million cruises, you have to come to the muster drill, even though you know it by heart and you know this spiel.
But it's okay. It's pretty quick and painless. Just have your stuff ready. Get here early so you can have a seat and you don't have to stand up. And it's really just sitting around for a few minutes.
Yeah, like
no big deal.
10-15 minutes, roughly. So, anyways, cruisers, we are going to pause here for now and go from there. See you in a minute.
Team members inside the lounge are trained in order to guide you into the lounge to ensure that everybody has nice and comfortable seats and we can utilize all the space inside the lounge, right? Once we are here, it is very, very important that we please keep the noise level down to a minimum. Clearly because if there is any other announcements or alarms, we want to ensure that everybody inside the venue are able to listen to those announcements so we can follow the proper assembly plan.
Well, cruise nerds, I don't know if y'all know this, but the Norwegian Prima is the newest ship for Norwegian. Right, Anne?
I believe it is, yes.
And I mean, look at that ship. That's pretty big. I mean, she might be pretty, but she's not as pretty as the Disney ships.
She's not Disney.
Yeah, she's not Disney. But Anna was pointing out, like, right before I started recording, like, look at that spiral slide. There's like 2 slides, like, right there that go all the way down. That's pretty cool.
Go to though.
That is the question of the day. Where do these slides go to?
It looks like it goes inside.
So, cruise nerds, if you've been on the Norwegian Prima yet, or will be, if y'all know, comment down below. We're curious. We don't, at least Mama and I, we haven't done any other cruise line.
And won't do it.
And will not. Will not and will, and have not. But look at this, even this slide, cruise nerds. Like, this is like one that you would see at like SeaWorld. And, yeah, so it's one of those slides.
It's not classy like the Aquaman.
Not SeaWorld, Aquatica. And then they also have a golf cart. See, there's a golf cart thing. But yeah, it's not, like Mom said, it's not as classy. Oh my gosh.
Golf cart. Go-kart.
Golf cart, go-kart, similar. But this one's racing. Oh my god, cruise nerds. The editing that I have to do on each cruise of the things that I incorrectly name, it's hilarious.
But they're funny to keep them in. They're like bloopers.
Yeah, bloopers, especially like that one cruise. Me and Anna, my camera just started going down because I had my hand on the thing to push it down. That was hilarious. Alright, cruise nerds, I'm gonna pause here for now because, like I said, we're waiting for the shuttle launch or SpaceX launch to go off. And the window is open, so I wonder if they scrubbed it. We'll have to wait and see. See you in a minute, cruise nerds. Alright, cruise nerds. So it is currently 4:43. I'm gonna go get us some drinks real quick in our handy dandy drink carrier and whatnot, and also take a look at the sail away party. So, see you in a minute. Cruise nerds, like Dr. G, we're trying to figure out how this wand works.
No,
Bigotus, fabulous, boo. And here's Dad looking at you weird, just like that. Oh yes, shout out to travel agent Doris from Magic for Less. But anyways, cruise nerds, and then Mama Ronnie's here too. Cruise nerds, I mean, this is the life, I would say.
Being together.
That's what I mean, Mama Ronnie.
Yeah.
Being together, especially here for the holidays. Cruise nerds, the rocket has yet to go off because I went upstairs to get drinks for everybody, came back down. Anna went down to the Sunset Spa and came back. No rocket launch yet. Knock on wood there. But anyways, cruise nerds, right over there, those are the Coast Guard boats. Looks like the Coast Guard's in today at least. Oh, and my other sister is calling us because Anna's here, I'm here, Papa John's here, Mama's here. So it can only be one person.
At the end of this announcement, we will be selling our ships with gold. We recommend to our guests on the open decks to cover your ears.
Oh god, behind us.
Wow. Oh, wow. God, it looks like it's coming this way. Oh, wow.
Wow, it's crazy how fast they went up there. That's awesome.
Awesome. Okay, yeah.
Wow. Yo,
I'll go get the wands.
it's so fast.
Well, Ahoy Cruise Nerds, we're here in the WALT Disney Theatre. Of course, there's no recording during the show, so that's why I'm going ahead and doing this now. And of course, we got our nice spot right here. Yeah, really, really nice. So, but anyways, Cruise Nerds, we're gonna go sit down, we're gonna get popcorn, we're gonna get drinks, and get settled in. But like I said, no recording of any kind. See you in a minute. Alright, Cruise Nerds, I know I said I was going to see y'all later after the show. There's Annie. They went to go see the rocket launch.
It was so cool.
Yeah, all you could see was like an orangey red dot going into space. Kind of.
But in your eyes, you know how the video doesn't come out as good. It was really cool to see in person.
Yeah. Photos don't do it justice. So, Cruise Nerds, last cruise, Mama told me, 1, no, and 2, they were sold out. But we got another reindeer. We found another reindeer. I know Mama's giving me an errand, Cruise Nerds. And Cruise Nerds, we were playing with the wand. We played with the wand. Well, not we. There's no we to it. It's all Anna.
We electrified the long wand.
We electrified the wand. So, Cruise Nerds, we try to have fun. But anyways, Cruise Nerds, I'm going to pause here for now, for good this time. And then I will see you after the show, because the show will start in about 15 minutes. See you soon. Alright, Cruise Nerds. Wow. Anna was just noticing the ears that Dad has, and it has 2007 on it. Wow. Time flies, Cruise Nerds. So we went to the show, and of course I cried. I think Mama cried. I think we all cried, except Dad. I think he did, internally. Anyways, Cruise Nerds, we're coming back to the stateroom real quick, and we're gonna get changed, and then go to dinner, maybe go see the tree lighting ceremony from a different angle. But anyways, see you in a minute. Well, ahoy, Cruise Nerds. So, got all changed and everything, and we're ready for 1923. Hence the blazer, as I like to call it, the jacket, because it's kind of like that vibe. We're in 1923 tonight, and we're at 223. And I think we have Deborah again as our assistant, but we don't know who our new server is, because Javed went home on the 4-day right after the last one. So we're very happy that he got to go home for Christmas. But anyways, Cruise Nerds, we're just moving around some things, getting cleaned up. And then we're gonna head to the tree lighting, which will be shortly. So, but anyways, Cruise Nerds, see y'all shortly down in the atrium.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, how lovely are your branches. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, how lovely are your branches. Your shining sun and twinkling lights, ranging way home through a boat. This was free. Here we go. Thanks, everybody. It's going to be a holiday over the summer. Right, Minnie? It certainly is. And there's one wish we'd like to share with all of us tonight. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
All right, cruise nerds. Welcome back to 1923. It's actually pretty warm in here, cruise nerds. And we're in our same area, but with the exception, we have Annie this cruise. So she was able to join us for a quick little getaway from reality. And let me tell you, cruise nerds, it's awesome to be back on the ship, get away from everything, leave work behind, make things planned tomorrow, royal gathering, and then we're gonna go to movie Avatar: The Way of Water. Woohoo! Yep, I'm excited about that, cruise nerds. But anyways, so like I said, we're in 1923 tonight, and we have Deborah as our assistant, and Simone, our head server, and Anna's breaking the plates over here.
I'm playing with the whipped butter. It's very whippy.
Yeah, so that's whipped butter, cruise nerds. I'm gonna.
It's good. It's very light. I don't know if you can see it.
Here, let me do the color down a little bit.
It's very light and creamy. It's like a whipped cream.
It's we have Deborah as our assistant and Simone, our head server. And a lot of you know that's our head server. And he surprised us with a server that we've known for a long time. We call him Arthur. At least that's the name that he has given us to call him. Artanda from Indonesia. I am butchering his name, but I'll show a picture and also get him it. And you've probably seen him pop up in some of my vlogs in the past.
If you get him as a server, he is a wonderful.
He is a wonderful man.
Server, wonderful person.
Yeah, and he is always coming to work smiling and positive energy. Same with Deborah, just like Deborah. And Deborah, let me tell you, Deborah, we've had her for a few cruises now, but Anna hasn't been back since November, right?
It's been at least a month.
Yeah, so last cruise Anna was on was in November 14th. And Deborah remembered that she loves sweet tea. And
yeah, she didn't even ask. She just brought all of her drink orders.
Yeah. So
they remember you.
Yeah, so, but just impressive. But they remember things. So, but yeah. But anyways, cruise nerds, we're gonna go take a look at the menu real quick. We're gonna go ahead and go order and whatnot, and we'll be back soon after we get our. After I whack the thing out of my hand. After we get our appetizers and tell you what we got. See you in a minute. Ahoy Cruise Nerds, welcome back. So Mom, Dad, and Anna got a second appetizer. So Mom got the fennel, barlette, pear, and tatsoi salad. Yeah. And then Dad got the split Napa baby romaine lettuce, which looked actually really good. And then Annie got the burrata mozzarella cheese and the prosciutto di Parma. And I'm butchering the name.
Prosciutto di Parma.
What she said.
Burrata mozzarella cheese and prosciutto di Parma.
What she said.
It's prosciutto and mozzarella. It's good.
What she said. It's like the charcuterie board. I can't pronounce it right. Hey, at least I make someone in this family laugh.
She makes me laugh every dinner.
Yeah. Oh, goes the head server right there. That's number 1. That's the first time he went over my shoulder. So let's count how many times he goes in the background, Cruise Nerds. Now, I know some of you already caught him a few times and pointed him out. See, once again, in the picture. So, Cruise Nerds, I will see y'all in a few minutes. Alright, Cruise Nerds. So, 3 of the 4 of us got soup. So, I'm going to be showing photos. And also, I'm going to show a photo of Anna's, too. Because, but Anna got her ahi tuna.
Yes, tuna.
And,
do you want me to show it?
Yeah.
Here,
Look
I'll
at this,
show it.
look at this, like, presentation.
It's so beautiful. And they know that I like it, so they got me double.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's the best.
Yeah, it's, oh my gosh. If Anna could survive on one food item on the ship, and that was the only thing, that would be the thing that she would choose. So she would be a happy woman.
I could eat it every meal.
Yeah. But anyways, Cruise Nerds, so Mom got the corn chowder. And then, right, Mom? Okay. And then Dad and I both got the tomato soup, which we love. Feels hot, and it smells good, and it looks good. So we're going to go dig in, Cruise Nerds. I will see y'all shortly, but just wanted to share with y'all what we got. See you in a little bit. Well, ahoy, Cruise Nerds. Welcome back. And we got our dinner, our entrees. And Anna, what y'all get?
The filet mignon.
The filet mignon. And I'm showing a picture of it. And then it actually looks pretty good, especially with that sauce on it.
Yeah, it's just a very tender steak.
Ah, okay. So Mom, Dad, and Anna all got that, but I think different temperatures. I think that's the only thing that's different about theirs. And then, of course, I got my steak with fries and a Mickey head ketchup. I know, I'm spoiled. But anyways, Cruise Nerds, we're going to go eat, so we'll see y'all in a few minutes. Bye! Alright, Cruise Nerds. So we got our desserts. Of course, I'm already digging into my Mickey ice cream bar. And then everybody else, well, Dad got churros. And then they all got, what is it? The apple what?
It's like an apple cheesecake. So it's got the cheesecake on the top. Beautiful cheesecake with some gold leaf and like an apple tart on the bottom. And here it is cut open.
Yeah,
so you
just so y'all can kind of see. Yeah,
you can see
there
the
you go.
cheesecake up top and on top of an apple tartlet. It's really, really good.
Yeah.
Very good.
Anna and Mama Ronnie are getting coffee and fancy smancy cups. Yeah.
Oh, they got fancy.
They are the fancy smancy cup. You can kind of see Deborah coming over my shoulder in just a hot second. Yeah, right there. Yeah, the fancy smancy cups. So yeah, so there's Deborah.
These are the big ones.
Yeah, it is the big ones.
Nice.
And Deborah does it with such elegancy too. So, but anyways, Cruise Nerds, we're gonna go enjoy the dessert before it melts and runs away. See you in a minute. All right, Cruise Nerds. So we just finished up dinner, and we come out and we see Santa. Here's Santa and Mrs. Claus right here, which is awesome. There they are. I love Santa and Mrs. Claus. Alright, Cruise Nerds. Alright, Cruise Nerds. So we came back to the stateroom and we got an elephant tonight. Thank you, Sanjaya. It's a cute elephant. Of course, we got our chocolates too. Alright, Cruise Nerds. See y'all in a few minutes. Alright, Cruise Nerds. So, we came back to the stateroom, as you saw. We got the elephant and everything. I am going to get the drinks for us. This thing has come in major handiness, Cruise Nerds. I will have to say. Next thing is maybe bring something that will be good for food. And we are wanting to take room service out. But anyways, cruise nerds, I'm gonna go help Hannah real quick and with something. So, but anyways, I'm gonna pause for now. I'm gonna go fuss at the elevator too. She's interrupting. See you now. See you later. Bye. All right, cruise nerds. We just got our drinks and we're headed out to our usual spot. We're gonna actually watch a little bit of movie. And the movie tonight is Maleficent, so which I think is really great. But looks like I gotta pause for now, cruise nerds, because my drink is about to spill. See you in a minute. Cruise nerds, I don't know what I'm gonna do with Mom and Hannah, but we've been forward the last few cruises. So we were on the aft elevator, so we went left and left, but we needed to go left and right. So, but anyways, cruise nerds, we watched a little bit of Maleficent up on deck and relaxed, but now we're headed in for the night. So see y'all bright and early up in Nassau. Hopefully it's warmer tomorrow. See you in a few hours.